Hello everybody, welcome back. I know that I look crazy, but today we are gonna be testing this new hair dryer from Revair. I'm gonna show you real quick how it looks in this picture, and I'm gonna insert clips so you can see it better because it's a little bit big. It looks like a vacuum cleaner, and supposedly this hair dryer is 3 times faster than our regular hair dryer. So with that being said, let's see how good it is, my Revair. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of more water. I filled this bottle that came with the package, and I'm just gonna wet my hair again because it's a little bit dry. So I also like the fact that it comes with a stand, so you can put in your hair dryer there. I think that it's right. So now we're gonna take a section of hair. It's gonna dry your hair in reverse mode. Okay, hold up. Right, you guys, so I had to turn off the air dryer because the noise was absolutely like real. But let's appreciate how smooth my hair is looking right now. To be honest, I'm kind of obsessed right now with the way my hair is looking. It's super soft. So I'm just gonna continue blow drying all my hair, and we shall see how my hair looks at the end. So far, so good. Right, you guys, so this is how my hair looks after using the Revair hair dryer, and as you can tell, it's super soft, very polished. It has a little bit of shine, which I freaking love. Really sleek. Even my ends, they are so sleek that I'm not used to see my ends looking this way. I always like a little bit of movements on my ends, but that's something that I can fix later with some weights. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it looks good? What is your final verdict? So I'm gonna leave all the information about this hair dryer down in the description box, and I will see you very soon.